Alright, so a day at the park, testing out some more of the Google Pixel 8a and taking some photos and stuff at this park. Just, really just kind of showcase what the cameras can do. Alright, let's take a photo of that. I think that did pretty good, photo-wise. It's pretty nice. I don't think you get athlete's foot from the grass. All right, so now we're recording on the Google Pixel 8a in 60 frames per second video. The sun is going down, so I definitely want to go get a good shot of this for sure, the way that the lighting is and everything. Hopefully it doesn't completely blow out the shot, so I'm kind of looking with my own eye to kind of just see how the sunlight would be, and then I'm going to take that photo. So I'm really kind of going in and just playing with all the Pixel 8a's features, all that cool stuff. Of course, I don't look so sunburnt in this shot, so that's always a cool thing. And now I'm going to be testing out something else that I guess can be done. We'll see, but let's try it out right now. There'll be a before and after showing the same thing with the same audio. Yeah, so I'm really kind of going in and just playing with all the Pixel 8a's features, all that cool stuff. Of course, I don't look so sunburnt in this shot, so that's always a cool thing. And now I'm going to be testing out something else that I guess can be done. We'll see, but let's try it out right now. There'll be a before and after showing the same thing with the same audio. A little bit more footage with the Pixel 8a. And the cool thing is that I get to edit a video twice out of these images. So there's one that's actually going to the secondary channel, just like a quick one of what you can do with the features and everything like that. But the long form vlog is going to the main channel for all you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog and everything I'm showing you guys with the Google Pixel 8a and how it performs. And now we're just walking and vlogging and just seeing what the cameras can do, main cameras. It's pretty cool. Zooming on the ducks a little bit. Probably my main favorite place to get photos and video samples with the Google Pixel 8a. Yeah, so a lot of people fishing over here. It's actually the tide's a little bit lower than usual. Usual it's pretty higher than what it is right now. You can see the rocks on the side. But yeah, this is a video stabilization on the Google Pixel 8a. So I would say when it comes to video performance on the device, so like the image stabilization is slightly decent, but it could use some more work. However, if you're just vlogging your day and stuff like that, this should be just fine. If you're trying to go for like a movie cinematic type thing, probably not. But I'd still say it's pretty good. Pretty damn good. Now just imagine if you guys had a gimbal with this. Probably definitely get some stellar video motions. say this. I know most people watch my YouTube videos basically for a review on just how the phone performs and everything like that. But I'm a big person that loves to just play around with photography and have a little fun with it. And I will say that, you know, the Pixel 8a does a fantastic job. I've been having nothing but fun, literally playing with all the different features, the AI features that the cameras has, as well as, you know, like time lapse and things like that. It's been very fun doing that with this device, so definitely got to say that it's really good for what it is, for a sub $500 device. Can't go wrong with that. All right, I think I did enough with all the camera features, functions, and all that good stuff. So quite lengthy video, but if you guys made it this far into the video, thanks so much for being a major supporter of my channel. My photography is something I really enjoy to do, and I really love to share with you guys the ideas and things that I have going on in my head that, you know, I just kind of wanted to share artistically. I know some of you guys probably didn't make it to the end of the video, but some of you guys probably did. And if y'all did, hashtag real one in the description, well, in the comments, not in the description, in the comments, hashtag real one, that I know that you guys made it here, or hashtag pixelography, so I know you made it to this far into the video. But until then, we are done.